Researchers made significant advances in understanding parasomnias, complex sleep behaviors where individuals are semi-conscious, often interacting with their environment. A team of neurologists affiliated with multiple institutions in Spain and the US has found evidence that suggests up to 20% of all cases of Alzheimer's disease, AD, may be attributable to double copies of the APOE4 gene. In A Fatal Inheritance, Lawrence Ingrassia weaves together personal history and scientific discovery. Is stress about your diet eating away at you? All you need is a set of weights. A dietitian is spilling the tea on how certain brews can help you lose weight. Young individuals who use high-potency cannabis between ages 16 and 18 are twice as likely to experience psychosis by their mid-20s compared to those who use lower-potency strains. A new study identifies a crucial factor in brain aging and Alzheimer's disease: the accumulation of Glu-5 RNA CTC in neuron mitochondria. Raw milk fans called warnings fear-mongering despite 52% fatality rate in humans. Down syndrome regression disorder, DSRD, may affect 1 to 5% of those with Down syndrome. DSRD patients may lose the ability to talk or care for themselves. KP2 currently makes up an estimated 28.2% of cases in the USA, CDC data shows. Researchers at Brigham and Women's Hospital and Duke University showed that a genetic variance present in 3–4% of self-identified Black individuals in the US, measles and other vaccine-preventable illnesses are spreading globally. If you're feeling down, do not grab that pastry for comfort. It's a sore subject. Researchers discover a brain stem circuit that regulates inflammation, potentially paving the way for new therapies for autoimmune diseases. For years, we were told therapy was the key to living a good life. What if we don't want to go anymore? Melissa Dahl spoke with therapy quitters like herself, people who have been helped by talk therapy but are in the mood for a less examined life. They like these fruits very much. University of Utah research professor Donna J. Cross has spent the past 25 years studying brain disorders. Early research in mice suggests a new path forward to restoring hair growth in people affected by a form of alopecia. You always recommend walking, but is it enough to stay fit? Seasonal allergies are reportedly getting worse year after year, and it's not a coincidence. Here's what's triggering them in Detroit. Food safety experts say you only need a couple cells of contaminants to really cause havoc. BBC presenter Naga Munchetty revealed last year that she suffers from adenomyosis, a chronic condition that affects the uterus. The study points to the importance of cardiovascular exercise, not only for heart health, but also for muscle strength. Epigenetics G, or chemical changes in DNA that alter gene activity, may be key to predicting ALS disease progression, a study found. ER boarding is a public health crisis, especially for elderly patients. Do you need to know your heart age? A growing crop of tools will estimate it for you. To our knowledge, this is the largest study performed on the linkage between premature ovarian insufficiency and mortality risk, one study author said. The discovery could be of great clinical value for future weight loss programs, the researchers say. Researchers at the Salk Institute found that cannabinol, CBN, and its derivatives could protect brain cells from aging and damaging, showing potential for treating neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and traumatic brain injuries. Rick Slayman was the first person in the world to receive this pioneering surgery in March 2024. If you have iron deficiency anemia, diagnosed with a few simple blood tests, you should take an iron supplement. Federal public health officials are turning to wastewater surveillance to help fill in the gaps in efforts to track H5N1 bird flu outbreaks in dairy cows. Some patients with traumatic brain injuries who died after life support was withdrawn may have recovered if given more time, a new study reveals. Eating the good stuff is about to get a whole lot cooler. A deadly autoimmune disorder is on the rise in northern England, and scientists are now linking the outbreak to COVID-19. The rare but life-threatening illness currently surging among the residents of Yorkshire is known as anti-MDA5 positive dermatomyositis. There was also mercury and arsenic, but none of the toxins likely caused Composer's death. The analysis revealed that those within a year of a hype vertebral or proximal non-hype non-vertebral fracture were at the highest risk of death. Ryan Grimm speaks to Ross Whiteman about the side effects he experienced from a COVID-19 vaccine. Holly Hernandez of Centerg, formerly of Verdigray, is fighting more than triple-negative breast cancer. She is also on a mission to spread awareness regarding the diagnosis and what it means. A man recently contracted flesh-eating bacteria while walking barefoot on a beach, highlighting an upsetting list of diseases you can catch this summer. Most alcohol enters the bloodstream via the mucous membrane layer of the stomach and the intestines.